Happy Easter, Jessie. Happy Easter, Jessie.
This is for Rihanna and Juliet.
The Dragonfly. How I born a dream. Like that. Oh, where did he go? Oh, cookies.
Well, let's open the cookies first. What do you think?
Yeah, please.
Yes, please? Ooh.
I do the bunny ears.
Whoa! I thought we were supposed to decorate them. Oh no, you eating them. That's okay. Nana is doing it. Do you want to take your carrot? Carrots are orange, right?
Yes.
All right.
Carrots are orange.
All right.
Look up, Mommy. Make it. It needs more.
It needs more?
It looks white.
It looks too white?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And you make it, Jessie. For me, I eat.
Oh, it needs frosting for you to eat?
Yes. Fly.
Oh, the top?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Pink.
No, duck.
Oh, orange on the top too?
No, duck.
Did I not get it all?
No, duck.
All right.
No, right there, right here.
Better?
Yes.
Is that good enough?
Uh-huh.
Okay. How about we do some fancy Easter eggs real quick? Oh, good job, Nana.
Duck, Nana. No, pickles.
Okay.
That.
And the sprinkles next. Which one? We got 3 bags.
That one.
Okay. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Can you just dip them with your finger? Nope. Okay. Is that enough frosting on that one?
Happy Easter, Daddy.
Happy Easter, Daddy. That's so sweet.
Happy Easter, Juliet.
Thank you, Dad.
All right. Let's change cookies. Here. This one's turn.
Ooh, that's a lot.
Yeah.
Oh, with a sprinkle on it.
I like the little sprinkle on it. That's very nice.
I agree.
You can do it? Good job. I think you can.
You hug.
Sure.
Whoa!
Whoa, Nana.
Why not do that?
Why not? She's decorating. You can decorate. You want to decorate? All right. I want to borrow the purple though.
Okay, I have the orange.
You can have the orange next.
I do this one.
You want to do that one?
I want to do this one next with the orange. You give me good.
Okay. So you need some sprinkles.
Yes. That's like beautiful.
What does this look like?
Okay. Nana.
Oh. Did I just get my cookie jacked?
That's
you can eat
my
it.
cookie. That's my cookie.
Oh, it's okay. Can sister eat it? She loves it.
That's my cookie. This will be mine.
That'll be your cookie. All right. I love it. Oh. Sugar rush. All right. Can I borrow the pink for just a minute so I can put eyes and ears on this bunny?
Okay.
Okay.
I have the orange one instead.
Sure. Yep. I'm gonna borrow the purple one for a minute, and I'll give it right back. For lives.
Yay!
I think it's for reals, baby, but yes, for lives.
Woohoo!
But
You got it again.
Decorate it again?
Yes.
Okay. Can I at least have the purple? I don't like the orange bunnies.
Okay.
There you go. You can have the orange. Okay.
Whoa.
Whoa. Alright, I need to borrow the pink one. I'll give it back.
Okay. The bold ones are my favorite.
Woo! There you go.
Green one is my favorite. I happy bought piece.
No, these are for my ice.
Okay. These are. I got more balls than mine.
Woo! Look. What do you think?
Beautiful.
Beautiful? What do you think? Beautiful.
How much? What? Give it. Well, that's the happy face. Thank you, Dragonfly. These are.
They're good. I actually really like the frosting. I'm not normally a frosting person.
My car.
Oh, we got a card.
In my car.
A card, yes. And we got cookie making stuff, didn't we? From Dragonfly Desserts out of Stillwater, Oklahoma.
In my car. For me.
Mm-hmm.
It's for me.
It's for you.
It's for me.
It was for you, wasn't it?
In my car.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's sweet.